Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to set faster haptic touch on iOS 17. So if you guys are if you guys need a faster haptic touch, in the case that you feel like your haptic touches are slower on your device, well, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to basically set this up. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first, in order for us to set up a haptic touch, in order for it to be faster, is to go ahead and launch the settings application. And then from here, let's scroll down until we see the accessibility settings. Then I want you to tap on the touch setting. So tap on touch right here, and you're gonna see the option to change your haptic touch. So tap on haptic touch, and as you see, we have the option to set it to default, slow, or fast. And well, in this video, since you wanted to make it faster, you just tap on fast, and you could actually tap on the touch duration test. Tap and hold on the image to see how fast it actually is. Now, that's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys will learn something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.